Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this video about myEcon and specifically tying in the funnel team and the true value that you actually get. In this video, if you watch all the way to the end, I'm going to spell it out for you and show you. I'm going to show you actual invoice statements from my American Express bill where show you, what we're paying for, traffic in your system and everything that you get when you activate your myEcon membership with the funnel team. And, plain and simple, it's one of the reasons why our team does so well. We've helped hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of new people get started in myEcon and giving them thousands and thousands of dollars in value. And in this video, you get to see it for yourself. So please make sure you watch all the way through. Now, if you have any questions for me, leaving my phone number right here at the top of the video. Feel free to text me, ask me anything. If you're ready to get started in myEcon, you want to activate that thousands and thousands of dollars in free value that you're going to get with myEcon and the funnel team. Link in the descriptions down below. Now, let's dive head first into this video. Now, first off, you got to understand a little bit about myEcon before we get to the funnel team stuff and what you actually get. A little bit about the funnel, a little bit about myEcon is you're getting over $1,000 in value with products and services from myEcon. Now, as an example, I'm not going to go through every single product, but obviously you have the income shifting tax strategies, you have the credit repair, debt elimination, tax minimization, the travel membership, Defender Plus, cash flow manager, investment training, and more. And, if you were to just go look up credit repair programs on your own, and I have other videos on this specific topic here, there's companies out there that will charge you $150 a month. Credit repair is not a one-time thing. You don't just pay somebody once and then one and done. That's not how credit repair works. It's an ongoing process because chances are you're not going to get everything removed off of your credit report on the very first shot. You'd be incredibly lucky. It's a process that takes time. So these companies will charge you a monthly fee. And typically, you're in a contract for 6 or even 12 months when you do this. With myEcon, you can cancel at any time. So you're not bound by any contract, but go do the research yourself and see the true value. If you're looking at other products like travel memberships or tax saving strategies, investment education, all of those things, they cost significant amounts of money, but not with myEcon. So let's start out with a base here of about $1,000 in actual real value that you're getting with your myEcon membership. Now let's see everything else that you're going to get when you tie in the funnel team. So how do we share this business? How do you actually start earning commissions with myEcon when you're partnered with the funnel team, and what does that look like? Okay. So first off, know that we provide a 100% free, proven to convert sales and training system that helps you convert your leads into sales. Okay. So when you activate your myEcon membership, we're going to give you a free system. It's 100% free to you. It's not going to cost you a dime, but there is absolutely amazing real value there that I'm going to spell out for you in this video. It's legit every single thing that you need to make money online, specifically with myEcon, all of your funnels, all of your training, the email follow-up. Yes, we do it for you. We give you done for you viral content, meaning that if you're going to go out there and you're going to share your business on social, we give you the content to make it really simple and easy to do. Proven to convert marketing. In other words, the way that we're sharing that content is proven and documented to work, hence the size of our team, the hundreds of members that we're bringing in every single week. This is proven to convert and proven to work, my friends. And yes, we have the documented proof, okay? Done for you sales rotators. In other words, we're going to take your link, we're going to plug it into our sales rotator, we're going to drive traffic to the rotator, and we're going to share your link for you. We're giving you a literal done for you business in a box. If you were to start myEcon or any other affiliate or network marketing opportunity on your own, you would have to go create all of this stuff. You would have to create the marketing. You would have to go probably integrate page builders and autoresponders and integration tools and softwares and make all the stuff work together. We've already handled all of that for you. So here's some proof for you right here. Our system has literally helped almost 10,000 people get started, activate their business, and get into our system and know exactly what to do. Yes, those are real numbers, real screenshots from our ClickFunnels membership site that's what houses your done for you team system. So when you think about that, I mean, if our system didn't work the way that it did, we would not have thousands of members. Okay. If our system didn't have an 85% retention rate, people would be joining and quitting, and we wouldn't have the numbers that we do. But plain and simple, it does work. Okay. So, why does our system work so well? Well, it's really simple. Let me spell it out for you. Proven to convert methods and irresistible value. Simple. Very, very simple and easy to understand there. Okay. So let me walk you through here. I know there's a lot of arrows on the screen here, but this is our team training site. This is kind of a screenshot from what you get in your actual members area and what it looks like. Okay. You're going to walk through step by step. You're going to go right down the list from the top. Very simple directions. So the very first black arrow there, very simple directions. Watch this first. Start here. Really can't mess that up. Get your link. You're going to set up your link. You're going to figure out how to do that whole process. We're going to walk you through it. All of these training videos, by the way, are little 3 to 5 minute training videos. We know that people have short attention spans these days. So we want to walk you through it in a very simple and easy to understand way. Then you're going to start sharing your link where it says start promoting. We're going to show you how to take your affiliate link, how to use the viral content, how to use the marketing strategies, and start sharing your link. Okay. We show you guys how to use the myEcon membership, make and save more. So whether it be the income shifting, the travel membership, any of those things, we show you straight up how to use your actual myEcon membership. Again, very straightforward, very easy to follow videos so you know and understand how to use your system and get the most benefits from your myEcon membership and our team training site. Okay. Now plug in your new member. Really simple. When you're out there and you get a sale, you're going to get that notification from myEcon that says, congratulations on your new personal recruit. All you're going to do is send them a specific email. You could text them too and send them the same information. We give you the email to send to your new members, which brings them right back here and plugs them right into our team training site. So you don't have to train them. You don't have to worry about what to say. We give you, it's all copy and paste, really simple and easy to use. And you're going to be able to access your bonuses. What are those bonuses? I'm going to walk you through it in this video and show you all of the additional bonuses that you're going to get. Thousands of dollars in courses, training, and education just by becoming a myEcon member. Okay. So first off, our system, our funnels are all hosted inside of ClickFunnels. That's where our team membership site is. Okay. That's just part of it. There's multiple parts to it here that I'm going to walk you all through. As you know, a ClickFunnels membership is about $300 a month, okay, in order to house an actual training membership like we do, okay? That's $300 a month that you don't have to pay. And then, of course, there are hundreds and hundreds and hours of training, teaching, training, and educating you on how to utilize your business, how to get out there and go get sales, exactly what to do. If you were to go learn all this on your own or have somebody else teach you, it would be thousands and thousands of dollars to go learn all this or figure it out all on your own. It would just be hundreds and hundreds of hours and maybe thousands of dollars trying to learn this information. So we have some now added value in there. If you look at the top left of your screen, you'll see the value added. So the myEcon membership, the monthly fees that it costs to run a system like this, plus the thousands of dollars in value in training and education. Okay. It's all yours. All of this is yours free just for activating your myEcon membership. By the way, we're going to email all of your leads for you. Okay. So you can see right there, our email autoresponder that we have tied into your system for you. Okay. Is $636 a month that you don't have to pay. We pay this so you don't have to. If you had someone do email marketing for you, you went out to Fiverr or somewhere and you contracted somebody out to do your email marketing for you, it would be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month. Again, we're doing this all for you and it's all yours free. Okay. Now, our custom app, you can see the value added starting to go up. Okay. You got to realize here that systems are not free. Apps are not free. Page builders are not free. Email marketing is not free. Video hosting is not free. All of these things that have a front end done for you system, they're not free. Somebody has to pay those bills, but it's not you. We cover that for you, which allows you to get out there and start marketing and start promoting your business literally today, right away. So you can see here, okay, it costs $1,585 per month to run our app. Okay. You can see that's my literally my American Express bill right there. Okay. $740 a month. That's specifically for Active Campaign, which helps run the back end follow up. Okay. You have some video hosting in there. You have Zapier, which is a thing that connects all the integration, tool that connects everything together. You have the app itself, which is $400 a month. And then when all of those things combine to make the app fully functional, okay, it's over $1,500 per month. You don't have to pay that, but in return, you get a done for you business and an app that allows you to run your entire myEcon business, guys. Okay. Also, we're going to give you 3 additional courses that are designed to help you get out there and crush it. And if you look at any leader in myEcon, any of them, the top earners in the entire company are all using social media to build and grow their business. We're going to give you 3 courses that are designed to help you get out there and go crush it on social. Okay. YouTube University. If you were to go buy this on your own, it would be $497. Social Mastery Blueprint. If you were to go buy this on your own, $697. Scalability Pro, if you were to buy this on your own, $997. Okay, that's $2,191 in free courses that are going to help you. YouTube University, obviously going to help you grow and scale and monetize on YouTube. Okay, Social Mastery Blueprint is going to help you grow, scale, monetize on Facebook and TikTok. And Scalability Pro will teach you how to scale any online business to a 5-figure monthly income. There is just thousands of dollars in value in that one course alone. These are all yours free, absolutely zero cost to you, just for activating your myEcon membership. Okay. Now, we're also going to give you a Craigslist posting software. For those of you guys that are a little more old school, you like to post those ads. Okay. The Craigslist posting software allows you to post multiple ads at once without your ads getting shut down. This is a exclusive software that was designed to be able to do something like that. Okay. So you get this. This is a $500 value. You can see, you can go buy this on your own for literally $495, or you could be part of our team and get this posting software absolutely free. All right. Also, we're going to share your link for you. You can look at the left-hand side of your screen right there in the top corner. You can see the value added now. We're up over $10,000 in actual, real, pure value for you just for activating your myEcon membership, okay? We share your link for you. We plug you into our sales rotator. You can see right there on your screen, okay? $300 a week is spent on traffic, driving traffic to our sales rotator. That's $1,200 a month. If you were to go out and drive your own traffic to your own link, you'd be spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per week and per month. We pay that for you so we could share your link and increase your chances of generating leads and sales. It's that simple. So plain and simple, my friend, we're giving you everything you need to get out and be promoting your myEcon business right now today with thousands and thousands of dollars in free value. You just saw everything that you get and the money that you don't have to spend in order to get promoting your myEcon business literally today. All of your training, your funnels, your email follow-up, your viral content, your marketing, done for you sales rotators, a literal business in a box, or as we like to call it, a business in an app, over $10,000 in free value. And here's the kicker, my friend. You can get all of that literally by activating your membership for a one-time $99.95. And anyone that thinks that isn't, crazy, insane value, then exit off this video, go watch videos about unicorns and kittens, because I can't help you. So, we're literally giving you everything you need, almost $11,000 in free value for activating a membership that costs less than $100. And then to maintain active status, it's just $59 a month. And think about this. It takes just one sale. That's it. One sale a month to be in the profit, in the black with myEcon and your business. It's as simple as that, my friends. So really, you have 2 options. You can stay the same, keep doing the same thing, sit right there and be on the outside looking in, pondering, doubting, debating, wishing, wondering, hoping, all of those things that maybe someday you'll strike it rich. Or option number 2, you can activate your membership, get yourself started, get on the inside, get thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in free value, and you can be part of something special, part of something that is proven and documented to work, and be part of an amazing team. And then if you do that and you stay consistent every day, it's not a matter of if. It's not a matter of if this works for you, if you become successful, if you make sales. It just becomes when. You have the opportunity right now to take away the if and let it become when. Okay. And we will work side by side with you. So, link in the description down below, my friend. Get yourself started, lock in. If you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate. Reach out, send me a text message, or drop a comment below. This is the place to be, my friend. And as we continue to grow and expand into 2025, especially with the global expansion, it's just going to get even better, my friend. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.